Hello, it is 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, and after a good long weekend of work, because everybody deserves a weekend off, we managed to get a whole lot of work done. We have got the front suspension complete, the rear suspension is complete. We have installed the temporary quick change battery boxes. As you can see, we have them in with big hardware right now, rather than quick change, because we have not yet completed them, but these will suffice for the next race weekend. We have the rear suspension on. We've installed the differential. We're just about to install the springs and shocks in place. The half shafts are in. When walking around, we've started to do things like we made this platform up here that is intended to tidy up our wiring and put it all in one place. We'll have batteries right here, comes up into a relay, which goes into our fuse box. These will be our relays for our various components. Our pedal rack is done, throttle, our electronic throttle. The brake master cylinders are ready to install. They will drop on right there, and by the end of tomorrow we'll have it back on its wheels. Jeremy will be diligently getting the wiring in place and having everything ready to hopefully fire up midweek, and in the meantime Dale and I will be running brake lines and making sure all of our systems and components are in place. And we've got the side panels on in the interior. We'll wait to the last to put the belly pan on, because it's easy to be able to access the car from the bottom and the top. And progress was excellent this weekend. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.